up, everyone out there? This is the Elite One, aka God's Child, aka God's Child. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my page. Shout out to everyone out there, worldwide, from the US to the UK. Peace and blessings to you all. Peace and blessings, peace and blessings, peace and blessings. Okay. It's a cool, rainy, nippy day in Chicago. But it's my city. I love my city. I want to talk about Gayle and Oprah. Gayle and Oprah. Okay. Now, I know I'm a little late, but I want my channel, my subscribers, to hear my views on the issues, what I have with Gayle and Oprah. See, I knew Oprah wasn't no good, but I didn't think she was that dirty. Never knew she was that dirty. Never knew. Never knew she was that dirty. See, Oprah has never been for black people. That's no secret. No secret. Okay? But when you use your platform to bring down an icon legend such as Michael Jackson, the king of pop, a man who broke world records, an African American, the same man who looks just like me, same color as her. Okay? You use your platform to hurt his legacy, to hurt his name. How low can you go? See, I knew Oprah didn't mean black people no good, but I didn't think she was that dirty. She bought 3 white guys, grown men, who in the past was proven their stories were lies. No evidence of sexual abuse by the icon legend Michael Jackson. And I'm going to tell you guys something. Just because the radio stations don't play it, that doesn't mean you can't play it. See, I'm going to bump Michael Jackson because his legacy is just like Tupac music. It's going to live forever. See, Michael Jackson's estate is worth billions of dollars. Okay? Billions. So anyone who has control over Michael Jackson's estate gonna make trillions. Okay? So now, at one point, Michael Jackson had a music catalog that owned thousands of artists. The Beatles, you know, all type of artists. And Sony Records went out of their way to assassinate his character, sabotage his last album, Invincible, to put him in a trick bag so they can get that catalog back. Okay. So Oprah used her platform to hurt and help assassinate, wipe out, and what's the word I'm looking for? Shame this man's name, all for a buck. Keep in mind, guys, Oprah lost $44 million. She lost $44 million. See, they don't want to talk about that. So, Oprah is nothing but the white man's dog. Now, let's talk about a dog. A dog is a man's best friend. Okay? Oprah being the white man's dog since, I would say, 80s, 90s, and, okay? Over the years, Oprah audience got a little brighter. It got to a point that you saw a majority of the white people in the front, while most of the black people scattered out on her show. All right? So, let's pause for a minute. Let's talk about Gayle King. Gayle King did an interview with R.Kelly. And you have to understand something about Gayle King. Okay? Gayle King was nobody until Oprah laid hands on her. See, Oprah made Gayle King who she is. See, it's not about what you know. It's all about who you know. All right? There's rumors that Gayle King and Oprah was having sex. Lesbianism. It's not my problem, not my business. But always remember, guys, it's not what you know, it's who you know. So Oprah put Gayle out there because Gayle riding off Oprah's name. Gayle did an interview with the R&B singer R.Kelly, who was recently locked up, who bonded out. And in the interview, she dogged that man out. In the interview, she, in her mind, was already biased. From the time the camera started rolling, Gayle didn't care about the truth. Now listen, I'm going somewhere with this. Gayle didn't care about the truth. Gayle's ambition was to assassinate, destroy, and discredit anything R. Kelly said out of his mouth containing the truth. Whee! Bust a U-turn, y'all. Woo! You gotta see it. That's pertaining to the truth. So, what R. Kelly said, there are missing black girls in Chicago. Now, he's black, I'm black, and Oprah's black. You would think Gayle says, you know what, you're right. You're right. But you know what Gayle said on national television? Oh, I don't want to hear about your rant, your rambling rant. What type of black woman who would brush off a fact of a statement like that? There are 66,000 black women missing worldwide, and Gayle dismissed it. Any point R. Kelly made that retaining to his case, Gayle King is the new white man's dog. See, Gayle is the new white folk dog. She knew. Gayle is the same woman who went to the Michael Jackson family, the brothers, and sat there, and the brothers was trying to defend his brother's name, Michael Jackson's name. It was Tito, Michael, Randy, nephew, stuff like that. Gayle sat there, stone-faced, like she didn't want to be there. Gayle had no help to what was being said about Michael Jackson. She didn't care. So now, let's go back to Oprah. Oprah used her platform to put 3 lying white men on her show. And these guys lied again. And because of that, Michael Jackson's name tarnished. Reputation tarnished. Radio stations don't want to play him. Statues being knocked down because of Oprah. So understand what I'm saying, y'all. Oprah helped bring Michael Jackson's name down. Oprah is the old white man's dog. I said it. See, Gayle is the new white man's dog. See, Oprah is passing the torch to Gayle. See, when Gayle handled R.Kelly and had him in his feelings, see, Gayle didn't talk to a man. R.Kelly is not all that bright. And I'm not going to kick a man while he's down. See, karma says if you kick a person while karma is in session, you too can suffer the same karma or karma. So when karma kicks in, you have to fall back. Gayle is the new white man's dog. Go get a girl. Go get a girl. Hey, who's a good girl? Good girl, Gayle. Oh, here's a snack. Here you go. No offense to my white subscribers out there. If you like Gayle, if you like Oprah, that's on you. But to my white subscribers out there who knows what I'm talking about, they know I speak the truth. Gayle and Oprah help destroy black men's legacy. This is the Enlightened One, aka God's Child. Comment below, tell me what you think. Like, share, subscribe. And this traffic's pretty slow. Peace and blessings. I gotta go, everybody. Man, like, share, subscribe.